Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Ocean theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Messenger. Then you need to open Messenger here and you need to update Messenger application first. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Messenger. Once you open Messenger, you simply need to select any random conversation and then you need to click on this icon on the top right. From here you need to click on theme and you need to find the Ocean theme and you need to select it. So the first you need to scroll down. So scroll down again. So here is Ocean theme. You simply need to select it and select that again. Wait for few seconds and now you can see that Ocean theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.